Hi, Brad with Family Handyman. These old campers present lots of challenges figuring things out. For example, this is the cover for the airflow for the old refrigerator that was in here. But we've taken that out, replaced it with a different, smaller refrigerator across on the other side of the camper. So now the challenge is what to do with this hole. What we're thinking is we're going to install a box in here that houses a cooler. And the cooler will be on drawer slides, so you can slide it out to where you're having fun outside, and then slide it in when you're done. So we'll give you some step-by-step when we're installing this thing, and we'll show you how it works when we're done. All right, so we've got our slide out cooler compartment all finished up. Put a new lock on here. Open up the door. And there you have it, your cooler with all your beverages right there. Tuck it back away. Lock it up so it doesn't fly out when you're going down the road. Got the handy bottle opener right next to it so you don't have to take a step to open your beverages. So that's it. For more DIY tips and tricks, visit us at familyhandyman.com.